So today I am at Ambala Kant railway station. So from here you can get buses from various stations. So I will tell you what stations you will get the buses. So from here Lucknow, Sitapur, Shahjahanpur, Bareilly buses are also there. There are a lot of hotels also. Oyo hotels means the budget hotels are available adjacent to this. So there is no problem of stay here. So here you can get Raipurani via Jatwad, Chandigarh, Shimla, Solan, Kasauli, Rampur, Bushahar, Kullu, Manali, Bilaspur, Mandi, Chandigarh, Hamirpur, Nangal Dam, Una, Baijnath. So buses for these places are available from Haryana roadways and other roadways. So Kalka, Panchkula, Ramgarh, Mubarakpur, Dera Bassi, Ladlu, Shahjahanpur, Narayangarh, Nahan. So for all the places the buses are available here. So the timing maybe means inquired over here. This bus is going to Narayangarh, and here from for Bhatinda, Sangrur, Maler, Kotla, Sunam, Rajpura, Patiala, Firozpur, Moga, Ludhiana, Muktasar. The buses for these places are also available. This is Punjab roadways buses, but I can't read out the destination because it is written in the Punjabi. So Amritsar, Dera Bias. Dera Bias is just few kilometers before this Amritsar. For Ludhiana, Jalandhar, Katra, Jammu, Pathankot, Do Sadka, Sadhaura, Mulana, Barada, Thana, Chhappar. So buses are available for there. This bus is for Yamuna Nagar Shri Ambala. So for that the bus is going over there. So the Yamuna Nagar buses are coming at this place. Haryana roadways buses, Punjab roadways, UP roadways. So this is interstate bus terminal. It is very near to Ambala Kant railway station, just walking distance, hardly 500 meters. So for Dehradun, Saharanpur, Meerut, Devband, this bus is going to Yamuna Nagar. Yamuna Nagar bus is going there. So Haridwar, Rishikesh, Rudki, Saharanpur, Narnaul, Rewari, Panipat, Rohtak, Karnal, Agra, Gwalior, Aligarh, Delhi, Jaipur, and Kotputli, Jaipur. So at these places the buses are going from here. There may be many other buses also that are going to other stations, but those are not written over here, so I may not be able to tell you. But any bus going in that route will go through that place also, so you can assume that the bus is going to that place also. So here some eating outlets are also available. So what are the facilities that I will tell you. So some small canteen is there. Here screen is scrolling for the type of buses, means the destination and route and timing is also given. So wherever the bus is going you can get it. There is a arrangement for sitting also. So the passengers are waiting over here. This is one more stall of means snacks. You can get the tea and burger, pizza, biscuits, and soft drinks are available. This is important thing. The ATM is also available in IndusInd Bank. Bags, you can get the bag also, and lock, chain. The inquiry center is there, so it can be inquired. Here it is the inquiry center. Wheelchair is also available. These are the places where wheelchair facility, the place is available. Here is the parking facilities available for the vehicle also. So this is more important to know that the vehicle parking facilities are already available here, and hotels are available. Here it is हरियाणा राज्य परिवहन अम्बाला आपका स्वागत करता है. Means it is from Haryana roadways. Ambala Kant railway station is there, and I think here ladies toilet and men's toilet, staff room. The pass can also be obtained here for the bus pass. So here the bus pass can be obtained. The bus pass facility is there. So here it can be obtained. Means you can purchase the bus passes. I'm not sure that the restrooms are there available there or not, but in the first floor there are many rooms there. So if one is coming, that can inquire whether it can be availed or not. So availability can be checked up. So I think this is quite good place. Means the Ambala Ambala Kant bus station is quite good, quite clean, very very clean. So most of the things that I have explained over here. Highway just passing. Highway is just means in between the railway station and the bus stand. So it's quite adjacent. So this is all I think about the Ambala Kant bus station. So whatever the station you are going, you are planning to go from here, I think most of the nearby nearby states and nearby major cities, the buses can be availed here. So if anyone want to know regarding the buses, they can rewind, means they can watch the video again and find out what places the buses are available. So here Lucknow, Sitapur, Bareilly, that I have already explained. So buses are available here. CTU buses also there. So I think CTU buses are mostly going to Chandigarh to CTU means Chandigarh Transport Undertakings. So these buses are going to Delhi to then to via Ambala, which is going to other places. So this is all. Thank you.